Think of your company as a restaurant. Out the back is the kitchen, the IT department. They're producing information using all kinds of highly specialised equipment. Out front are the waiters, the finance team, the analysts, delivering that information to the hungry business leaders who can make decisions and, more importantly, take action. It's how most organisations work today, and few people give it a second thought. But this model has a serious flaw. It creates a separation between back of house and front of house. And just like in a restaurant, that separation means that orders can get mixed up, communication can break down, and customers can leave unhappy if the two teams aren't working together. And that's exactly what happens today, with more than 90% of employees being dissatisfied with their internal IT systems. Productivity drops and costs increase when teams don't collaborate. It works a little bit like this. A sales manager wants to know why their sales dipped last quarter. They give their order to the analyst, who takes the request to the kitchen, where the specialists use complex technology to pull data and prepare reports using multiple tools. If the order is complicated, it may take several attempts to get exactly what the manager needs. This back and forth is slow and prone to miscommunication. The kitchen may also be juggling many orders at the same time, and they may not see this request as a high priority, so the manager has to wait. By the time the information arrives, it could be lukewarm or not usable at all. This separation creates a classic silo where each side only sees part of the picture. IT focuses on the data and finance focuses on the information. These silos create inefficiency, redundancy, and frustration, and it's something that I've experienced firsthand during my career. So now let's compare a traditional restaurant to a teppanyaki grill. In a teppanyaki restaurant, there is no front versus back. The chef is the kitchen right there at your table. The chef takes your order, cooks it right in front of you, and serves you directly. And as a customer, you can ask the chef to make it a little bit more spicy and get an immediate response. The chef adjusts on the fly, explains what they're doing, and tailors the meal to your taste and delivers it fresh off the grill. This model is fast, transparent, and interactive. This is a unified approach. Instead of segregated teams tossing requirements over the wall, imagine a single person who handles the insight end to end. This approach is faster. Just as your meal arrives quicker when cooked at your table, insights reach decision makers sooner when they're created on the spot. It's also more accurate. Miscommunication is eliminated because the chef and the customer are in constant dialogue. And it's far more engaging. Business leaders become part of the analytics process, understanding the constraints and the possibilities as they go. With a teppanyaki restaurant, silos are replaced by a collaborative, integrated performance, and patrons leave delighted by the service and the speed. Except, of course, if you don't catch the egg. So here's where Kira comes in. Kira is a groundbreaking AI-powered business analytics platform that brings the kitchen to your table. Kira removes the intermediate steps between data and decision maker, just as a teppanyaki chef removes the need for a separate waiter and kitchen. With Kira, you don't need to wait for IT to prepare a specialist data dish or the finance team to translate it. You simply ask and Kira serves up the insight instantly. The teppanyaki restaurant model works because the chef has all of the required ingredients prepared. There's no chopping or slicing. Everything is ready to combine and cook at a moment's notice. That's why I invented the analytical data frame. It's the secret ingredient that allows Kira to become the organisation's teppanyaki chef. Kira replaces complex tools, endless dashboards, and costly specialist work with a natural language interface. Just like talking to the chef, you ask questions in plain English and you get clear narrative answers. There's no need to write complicated SQL or wade through spreadsheets. Kira does the heavy lifting in the background, crunching millions of data points to deliver personalised, actionable insights. It's like telling the chef exactly how you want your steak and getting it done perfectly. The insight is personalised to your needs. Breaking down the wall between IT and finance transforms decision making. Kira is cutting-edge AI that provides customers a competitive edge. Kira means better decisions faster.